Hello. Need help. It's system thing up. See this? That's your mind. And it's just been blown. But don't worry, we are mind repairers. This is your brain, your new mind. It's rebuilt using our patented microneuristic laser micro-inseminations. Okay, now you may or may not be worried to hear this, but you must listen carefully, because this is where we actually blow your mind. But don't be afraid, we don't want to hurt you. We only do this to allow for the mind to be rebuilt from the ground up. We're knowing what we're doing. We are mind repairers.